To add a Starbucks gift card to Uber Eats. Start by opening the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. Then select the payment option from the menu. Next, tap on Add Payment Method and choose the gift card option. You will be prompted to enter the gift card number and the PIN, which can be found on the back of the gift card or in the email if it is an e-gift card. Enter the gift card details carefully and tap on Add to add the gift card to your Uber Eats account. Once the gift card is added, you can use it to pay for your Starbucks orders on Uber Eats. To use the gift card, select Starbucks as the restaurant and add your desired items to the cart. When you are ready to check out, tap on the payment method and select the Starbucks gift card from the list of available payment options. The gift card balance will be applied to your order and any remaining balance will be paid using your primary payment method. It is essential to note that you can only use one gift card per order, and the gift card balance cannot be used to pay for delivery fees or tips. By following these steps, you can easily add a Starbucks gift card to Uber Eats and enjoy your favorite Starbucks drinks and food using the gift card balance. Always ensure to check the gift card balance and the expiration date before using it to avoid any issues with your order.